Did you know that nearly 50% of people trying to gain weight struggle to see results? It's true. Many fail not because they don't work hard enough, but because they lack the right nutrition to fuel their bodies. In today's video, we'll explore how delicious, healthy drinks can make all the difference in your weight gain journey. Hey everyone, I'm Farhad, a certified fitness coach and nutrition enthusiast with over 3 years of experience helping people transform their bodies and lives. I've had my own struggles with weight gain in the past, and I understand the frustration of putting in the effort but not seeing the results. Today, I'm excited to share my knowledge and personal insights on how to incorporate nutrient-dense drinks into your diet to achieve your weight gain goals. In this video, we'll cover a variety of healthy drinks that can help you gain weight easily. We'll discuss the nutritional value of each recipe, how they can fit into your daily routine, and tips for making them even more effective. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of delicious drinks at your fingertips that will help you reach your goals without sacrificing taste. Many people struggling with weight gain often face two main challenges: inadequate caloric intake and nutrient deficiencies. If you find it difficult to eat enough throughout the day, a liquid meal can be a great way to add calories without the feeling of being overly full. But here's the kicker: simply drinking calories isn't enough if those calories aren't nutrient-rich. Not only can this lead to frustration and dissatisfaction with your fitness journey, but it can also result in a lack of energy, decreased performance in workouts, and a feeling of overall poor health. I've heard countless stories from clients who felt stuck because they were eating plenty of food but not the right kind. For instance, let me share the story of one of my clients, Sarah. She was training hard but struggled to gain weight. After some evaluation, we discovered she wasn't consuming enough protein or healthy fats. By adding nutrient-dense smoothies to her diet, she was able to gain 5 pounds in just a few weeks. This shows how effective the right nutrition can be. E-Solution. Today, we're going to dive into several delicious drink recipes that are high in calories and packed with nutrients. We'll cover smoothies, shakes, and other beverages that are easy to prepare and can significantly contribute to your weight gain goals. High-calorie smoothie. Ingredients: 1 banana, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 cup whole milk, and a scoop of protein powder. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth. This smoothie offers a perfect balance of carbs, protein, and healthy fats. Nutty protein shake. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 cup of your favorite fruits. Instructions: blend until creamy. This shake is rich in protein and will keep you full for longer. Avocado coconut shake. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup coconut milk, 2 tablespoons honey, and a squeeze of lime juice. Instructions: blend and enjoy. This drink provides healthy fats and is very satisfying. Oatmeal breakfast shake. Ingredients: a half cup rolled oats, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon almond butter, and 2 cups almond milk. Instructions: blend for a filling breakfast drink that's perfect for busy mornings. Let's take a moment to understand why these drinks work. Each of the recipes I shared is designed to provide a balance of macronutrients: carbohydrates for energy, protein for muscle repair and growth, and healthy fats for overall health. Research shows that consuming a meal high in protein and carbs post-workout can enhance muscle recovery and growth. Nutritionists recommend that those looking to gain weight should focus on calorie-dense foods. Registered dietitian Dr. Sarah Johnson emphasizes incorporating nutrient-dense liquids can help bridge the gap for those struggling to consume enough calories in solid foods alone. Nutrient breakdown chart. Display a chart showing the macronutrient breakdown of each drink. Infographics. Use infographics to explain the benefits of each ingredient. Smoothie preparation. Film a segment of yourself preparing each drink, highlighting the benefits of the ingredients as you go. Quick tips. Use on-screen text to highlight additional tips, like adding spinach for extra nutrients or swapping almond milk for whole milk for more calories. Don't forget to take notes. I'll be sharing the exact ingredient measurements in the description below, so check that out. Let's talk about some common challenges you might face when trying to gain weight. One major issue is relying too much on processed drinks that are high in sugar but low in nutrients. Avoid these as they may lead to unwanted fat gain rather than muscle. Staying motivated can be tough, especially when results don't come quickly. Here's a tip: track your progress, not just in weight, but also in strength and how you feel. Celebrate small victories, like being able to lift heavier weights or feeling more energized. I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these drinks? What are your go-to recipes for weight gain? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm here to help you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more great content and share it with anyone who needs help with weight gain. Check out my playlists for related videos on meal prep and healthy eating. To recap, we explored several nutrient-dense drinks designed to help you gain weight effectively. Remember, it's all about balancing your macronutrients and ensuring you're fueling your body with the right kind of calories.